Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram new fonts not showing or working. Well, first thing what you want to do is go to the App Store and search Instagram and you want to make sure that it's updated. As you can see, I haven't updated yet, so update it on your iOS or Google Play Store. Then if that still doesn't work, delete the entire app and reinstall it once again. If that doesn't work, what you can do is open up your Instagram, shake your phone like this, and you're going to get a message that tells something like, "Oh, are you experiencing any issues?" You click yes and you explain that you don't have the new phone. So if I were to shake it, you see, report a technical problem, report, and let them know what was the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.